Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be comparing the SOG FlashMT, just recently released about a month ago, comparing that to the SOG PowerAccess and the SOG PowerPint. Is the FlashMT right for you? Well, I think that depends greatly on what is important for you to carry every day. Now let's go over some of the specs to compare these. First of all, the SOG PowerAccess is going to come in the heaviest at 5.9 ounces. The SOG FlashMT will come in at 4.7 ounces, and the SOG PowerPint, you guessed it, it will be the lightest of all of them at 4.2 ounces. Now, as far as weight, both of these are going to be very extremely light, very pocketable. Really good job in that department. And really, to be honest, the SOG PowerAccess, I really like this as well. I feel like it is very light multi-tool for what it has to offer. Now let's look at price. Now the SOG PowerAccess will come in somewhere around the $79, the $80 mark. The FlashMT will come in around $69, but what I saw today, it was listed at $77. So it depends where you get it from. It will be listed only about $2 cheaper than the SOG PowerAccess, which in my book is way too expensive. The SOG PowerPint will come in at only $49, so this will blow these away. It is a lot cheaper if you can find it at that price, and I've heard people are having an issue picking this up at retail price. All right, so let's get into more of the specs. What sets the SOG FlashMT apart from these multi-tools? Let's take a look at the pliers. Now, I was surprised the pliers on the SOG will go with a little bit of a different design. Now, obviously they have the compound leverage, but take a look at this. They're just made a little different. They're going to be a little bit more of a blunt plier head. And compared to the PowerPint, you can definitely see the FlashMT will be a little bit thicker material. And again, they'll be a little bit more blunt. They won't have this on the edge there. So the SOG FlashMT definitely is going to be a little different in its pliers. It will also be different in the bit holder that it has, or the bit driver rather. This will be the 4mm bit it will use, whereas in the PowerPint and the FlashMT will both use the 1/4" bit in the back. So any 4mm bit will work in the FlashMT, just like any 1/4" bit will work in these as well. Now the one negative part for the FlashMT is that under extreme pressure, and I don't think this will be a great illustration, but under extreme pressure, the handle has a tendency to flip open. So I find that really disappointing. That's something I have not noticed with a Pint or the PowerAccess, but definitely with the FlashMT, and the same thing with the reactor, it does have that tendency to do that. So let's look at one of the other main differences. It is going to be the knife. Now the FlashMT is definitely going to be a knife-based multi-tool. So we have the PowerAccess where it just springs out really nice. You can lock it if you need to. But let's take a look at the huge difference in the knife. So let's see if I can find this. These are going to be all outside opening tools. So take a look at the PowerPint compared to the FlashMT. There's really no comparison. It just dwarfs the PowerPint. Let's take a look at the PowerAccess and see that knife. You've got a very small, almost like a paring knife, compared to this huge knife, comparatively speaking, on the FlashMT. So I think that's definitely what's going to set that apart. If you're all about the knife, then this definitely will probably be the multi-tool for you, the FlashMT. Now the one other tool that the FlashMT has is it does have this sort of combo bottle cap lifter screwdriver there, and of course it does have the pocket clip as well. Now the PowerPint and the SOG PowerAccess both will have several different tools. So we've got the knife on here, we've got the file, we've got the safety cutter, we've got the jeweler's screwdriver and the awl on that side. And then we have the serrated knife, which is very sharp. Tested that in the previous video. The scissors, which are pretty good, the bottle cap lifter, can opener, and the Phillips screwdriver. So all those are included. Now the PowerAccess will have sort of a similar tool set. It's going to have the knife, the jeweler screwdriver, it's going to have the awl, and it will have this flat screwdriver as well. And then on this side, we notice we've got the file, the Phillips, bottle cap lifter, can opener as well. So those are going to be the tool of the PowerAccess. So compare that to the knife and the combo tool. So that is what you get with the FlashMT. So I think in the end, it's all about taste. What do you want? Is the knife the most important thing to you? Then definitely the FlashMT, if you're going to buy a SOG, is the multi-tool for you. Is it about the accessories, these tools, having more of a complete toolbox? Then it's probably either going to be the PowerAccess or it's going to be the PowerPint. So when we look at price alone, definitely I feel like the SOG PowerPint comes out the winner if you want something that is reasonably priced and very EDC pocketable. It comes in around $49, definitely the winner. But again, if you want the blade, if you like that PowerAccess blade, then the FlashMT may just be what you're looking for. PowerAccess, I feel like it's a huge winner in that it has an all-around package coming in at a very light 5.9 ounces. All right, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. We've got a ton more videos on the way, and I'd love to see you in the next one.